Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking that button. On today's installment of Quick Wits SATOH 550G, I'm working on replacing the headlights that are burnt out. They sat up here and got full of water. So I'm actually trying to replace them with some LEDs, be much more efficient, much brighter. And I got all new wiring and switches and fuses. So stick around and I'll show you what I got. So here are the old existing headlights on this SATOH 550G, and they were new when I put them on 10 years ago, but they sat up here and got full of water. So it's basically a 5/16 on these. Just gotta pop these off real quick. And I got the new ones over here in the bed of the truck. I got some on Amazon, go figure that. Very, very inexpensive. I'm sure they're made in China, but that's all right too. And I got a new wiring harness too, so hopefully I'll get these put on today and I'll be able to see. Sometimes it's so hot out here during the summer that it's better to bush hog a little bit in the evening right near dark, so stick around. Hi guys, and welcome back. I've been working on this SATOH S550G all day long. Good news is I got the lights put on, so I'm gonna swing this camera around. I think they look pretty good. Just standard, inexpensive lights from Amazon. I got 30 bucks in this and about 4 hours worth of labor. I've still got to run the wiring. It's just kind of temporary right now. It runs back through here. I'm gonna secure all this and then I'll connect it to the battery. But